Practo Honest Pricing explained what you get for your money. Practo isn't just an appointment, you won't believe how it transforms healthcare management for both patients and clinics. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for booking doctor appointments, but the surprising truth is Practo also provides digital health records, telemedicine, and clinic management solutions. Pricing varies depending on the service. For patients, booking appointments is often free, but teleconsultations may cost anywhere from 2 per session depending on the doctor and specialization. For clinics and hospitals, Practo offers subscription plans starting around per month, including online appointment management, electronic medical records, and billing features. Most people get this wrong by overlooking the operational efficiencies Practo provides, which can save clinics significant time and reduce administrative costs. The platform is user-friendly for both doctors and patients. You won't believe how seamless teleconsultations are, with video calls, prescriptions, and follow-ups integrated in one place. Clinics benefit from analytics dashboards and automated reminders, ensuring smoother operations. In conclusion, Practo pricing is tailored to the type of user and services needed. By understanding subscription tiers and optional features, you can maximize the value for your money. Practo isn't just an app, it's a complete healthcare management ecosystem.